everybody and their families are doing well. Coming at you with another video. This one's on the Law Tactical Folder, Gen 3. So I have this SIG M400 with the 11.5-inch barrel. Couldn't really fit it in compact duffel bags or backpacks. So I wanted to get a folder for it. Initially, I was gonna go with the Sylvan Arms folding adapter. It was half the price of the Law folder, but after watching a couple YouTube videos, I wasn't impressed, so I went ahead and spent the money. I think it's true. You get what you pay for. First impressions of this, it's very, very solid. There's no play in it. Very solid construction. The finish is very solid. Opening it is very easy. Obviously, you can't shoot it with it folded, but it's not intended for it. So far, I'm impressed. I just got this installed on the gun, and fit and finish is perfect. On this SIG M400 lower, I do have built-in QD slots on both sides. So on the right side of the gun where you fold it, hit the button, you do have to kind of dig in, but it doesn't affect the function of the gun. So hopefully I can get some shooting footage of me testing this out this weekend. But so far, first impressions, I'm impressed. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching and God bless.